In Alameda County today, a community coming together in support of the family of Mario Gonzalez as the one remaining police officer facing charges in his death appears in court. Thanks for joining us this evening. I'm Ann Makovic. Earlier this week, a judge dismissed the charges against two other Alameda police officers who pinned Gonzalez to the ground before he died in 2021. Our Amanda Harry was in court today. She spoke to a family friend about the new developments.
Only one officer was here in court this morning, Erik McKinley. He's the only one who can still be prosecuted. While Gonzalez's family and friends are disappointed by that, they still remain hopeful.
Say his name. Say his name.
A group of Mario Gonzalez's friends, family, and supporters gathered outside of the courthouse Friday to continue their fight for justice.
And it's a shame, it's disgraceful. But we are not going to stop.
Family friend Amanda Blanco is referring to an Alameda County judge's decision to dismiss involuntary manslaughter charges against two Alameda police officers. The judge ruled prosecutors didn't file the paperwork needed to bring charges against the officers within the 3-year statute of limitations. The case against the third officer, Erik McKinley, can continue because of a 5-month mission trip to South Africa, pausing his 3-year period.
I hope that something comes good out of pursuing McKinley. I hope that they do hold him accountable.
26-year-old Gonzalez died in April of 2021. He stopped breathing during an arrest. Body camera footage showed officers restraining him on the ground, face down, with at least one officer pressing his elbow and knee into Gonzalez's back for several minutes. In April 2022, then District Attorney Nancy O'Malley declined to prosecute the officers, citing no evidence of wrongdoing. This past April, current DA Pamela Price announced her office would charge the officers with involuntary manslaughter.
This is a scenario that should never happen.
Legal analyst Stephen Clark says there are certain timelines prosecutors need to follow, and there's no good excuse for missing the deadline. He believes the prosecutor's mistake could have unexpected consequences.
And the jurors may wonder, why is he being selected? And there's two empty chairs of other officers that interacted with Mr. Gonzalez. So I think it will actually work to Officer McKinley's benefit.
But he believes there's a chance both could still end up in the courtroom.
Will these two officers, now that they have not been charged and cannot be charged, come forward as witnesses to try to help their brother officer?
Blanco was visibly emotional as she talked about Gonzalez. Gonzalez's mother, Edith, was so distraught she couldn't make it to court. Despite that, they have decided to remain hopeful.
Support for the family as the advocate, and if Edith was here, I'm sure she would say that she has a lot of faith in God and wanting this man to get, be held accountable and have justice.
McKinley will enter his plea on October 25th. Gonzalez's supporters say they'll be back here on that date.